ABC English Language Institute Action Verbs. Learn, repeat. Cooking verbs, present and past tense. Listen. Wash, washed. Peel, peeled. Cut, cut. Chop, chopped. Slice, sliced. Dice, diced. Mince, minced. Grate, grated. Mix, mixed. Stir, stirred. Whisk, whisked. Beat, beated. Blend, blended. Knead, kneaded. Boil, boiled. Fry, fried. Bake, baked. Roast, roasted. Grill, grilled. Steam, steamed. Simmer, simmered. Saute, sauteed. Add, added. Pour, poured. Spread, spreaded. Sprinkle, sprinkled. Marinate, marinated. Season, seasoned. Drain, drained. Serve, served. Remember this, you are smart, you got this, and I believe in you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.